Follow the yellow braille blocks. Written and illustrated by Park Sun-young. 노란상상 Books.
I'm bored. What should we play?
Let's follow that path.
The yellow path?
Yeah, let's go.
From now on, we only step on the yellow path.
All the way to the end.
Let's go.
The adventure begins.
How far will it go?
Wait! What's that on the yellow path?
Oh! Ants!
What are they doing?
Someone must have dropped some candy.
Busy little ants.
See you later.
Uh-oh, the yellow path breaks here. What now?
Up on our tiptoes.
Careful so we don't fall.
Whoa! What's this?
It's a sign.
Crawl under, nice and slow.
Run!
Wait, there's a hole in the yellow path.
There are flowers blooming beyond it.
And boxes piled high. Then,
Hop.
Cartwheel.
spin. Ta-da! No obstacle can stop us. What's that now?
That's so scary.
Should we give up now?
Hold hands.
Step by step, nice and slow.
Let's cross safely.
Following the yellow path.
Is so fun.
Oh no! It's blocked again. This one looks really hard.
Ah! We might fall.
Watch your step.
Almost there. Keep going.
Phew, we made it through.
There are too many obstacles on the yellow path.
Look over there.
A long, straight yellow path.
No cracks, no holes.
Then let's really run. Wow!
Yay!
So fun.
Twisting and turning.
Down the path.
Feels like we're in a maze.
Just run.
Here, over here.
Ha ha ha.
Best adventure ever.
Uh-oh. But
If that happens,
What do we do?
easy.
Hello?
Move off the yellow path.
follow the endless yellow path.
Once more.
Let's go.